Hey guys, and welcome back to my CCNA 200-301 course. Patrice here, and in this video we are going to review access control lists basics. Are you ready? Let's get started. Access control lists, or ACLs in short, that are also known as access lists, are basically layer 3 and layer 4 network inspectors and pretty much works like a club security guard that has a list of allowed people to get in and won't allow others who are not on the list. You can apply access lists on IP version 4 and IP version 6 traffic, but obviously through different ACLs. IP version 6 ACLs are out of CCNA scope, so we just work on IP version 4 ACLs. Each ACL contains one or more rules that can be used to identify or filter the traffic. Each of these rules is called an ACE, or access control entry. ACLs can be used in different scenarios, including NAT, where you saw it in the previous videos, firewalling, device access control, route filtering, etc. You need to understand how ACLs work because it can be so disruptive if you apply them incorrectly. This is how it works. The rules that you put in your ACL will be checked one by one, and as soon as a rule matches the traffic, the device will apply that rule that is pretty much permitting or denying that traffic and then exit the ACL. So you need to be careful about the order of the rules you add to your ACLs. ACLs are applied on the traffic direction. So literally you tell your device this ACL needs to be applied on incoming or outgoing traffic, or sometimes both. To use ACLs, you need to follow two major steps. First, defining the ACL, which does not impact any traffic as it is just a definition of the ACL. And then apply this ACL to the right spot, which can be an interface, line with UI, or many other use cases. There are two major types of ACLs, standard and extended. With the standard ACLs, you can only filter the traffic based on the source IP address. However, with extended ACLs, you can filter the traffic more granular and using parameters like source and destination IP, source and destination TCP or UDP port number, and some other parameters which are out of CCNA scope. These ACLs can be numbered or named, and this is actually how you define these ACLs. So when you define the ACL, you can give it a name or a number, and then use or apply that name or number to the spot you want. In the old iOS version, the numbers for standard ACLs was 1 to 99. So as soon as you give one of these numbers to your ACL, the router or your device will understand you're going to define a standard ACL. And for extended, it was 100 to 199. But Cisco added an extra range per category after a while, which is 1300 to 1999 for standard and 2000 to 2699 for extended, as you can see in the slide. Alright guys, this was our today's video. In this video and a few number of upcoming ones, the exam topic we'll be covering is 5.6, configure and verify access control lists. And in the very next video, we'll be configuring an IP version for standard ACL. I wish you enjoyed today's video and see you in the next ones.